Hey all! Today I wanna show you how to make origami paper butterfly bookmark. We need a paper of 6 cm by 12 cm size. Fold in half, unfold, fold it half. Rotate and fold both corners to center line. Unfold and fold them inside. Open both parts and rotate. Fold both upper edges to this crease. Unfold and fold as shown. Make 2 creases. Open both corners using the creases. Our butterfly is ready to fly. You can color the butterfly as I'm showing. For more cool ideas, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Please like and share the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.